So we're going to show you how to upload a video straight from your phone. We are going to go to your YouTube app. You're going to click at the very top, see the video icon. You're going to click right there. You're going to click on the bottom left where it says video. And you can either record a video or you can choose anything that you have here.
Weapons are online.
Next. And then you can write the description, you can write the title, you can make this unlisted, private, or public. And then you can also add a location if you want, and then you just hit upload in the top right hand corner, and that will upload to your YouTube channel.